Hi again, everyone. So today I'm just going to show you real briefly how to save your link. So when you receive a portfolio link from me, either through a private chat message in Blackboard or in an email, when you click on it, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. You will notice right here where this says Sample Student Portfolio, you should see your last and first name. If you do not see your name right here, then you possibly have the wrong link. Inside your portfolio, you should have a document that looks like this, and it should say blank and then whatever grade you're in, portfolio. This is the link you want to save. So it's very simple. I will show you how to do it in Edge, but the process is pretty similar in Firefox and Chrome. Over here, you will see a favorites. If you click on this star with the lines, it's going to bring up every favorite you ever saved. To save this specific link, you want to click on this star at the end of the bar. When you click on this, you can change the name. You can write My Transition Portfolio, or you could say, I have a sample 9th grade one. You could put 9th grade transition portfolio. This link is very important that you save. Now, where you save it also matters. You can save it into your favorites, or here you'll notice there's a favorites bar. If you click favorites, you will have to click on this little star to bring up a list of all of your favorites. If you click the favorites bar, that is going to put it right here along the top, so it creates a button for you. This is very handy. If you are not using this bar, I strongly recommend it. It's very convenient to be able to easily click on things. As you notice, I use it for a lot of my important things. So I'm going to click favorites for now because I already have other things on my favorites bar. And then I'm going to click add. Now, when I access all of your portfolios, I have that button right here. Now I'm going to show you how to access your favorites. When you click this star, you are going to see your list of favorites here. Now if you notice right here, 9th grade transition portfolio. This is what we saved. How easy is that, guys? All you have to do is open the link I sent you. Click the little yellow star, name it, and save it. And you can easily access it here. And then you can shrink this back in. Okay. Any questions, please don't hesitate to email me.